Yeah man, a knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational train, and today me there with a plant, man. If you're stuck on an island, and you're stuck with this plant only, you can survive, without food, for many days. So a plant name Oregano. Botanical name Oreganum. What is Vulgari. Alright, good. So right now me have it same one then called French Thyme. So me have them in a capsule, which is what? Very digestible. Yeah man, palatable. Some people afraid that it is, but this have a sweet scent. See it here if you don't know what it look like. See it there? Yeah man, this is what a leaf look like. This leaf can never die, Anyway you throw it outside, it just grow naturally. So I'm going to tell you a few health benefits about oregano. Oregano is rich in antioxidants. Yes. So that makes it anti-cancer. Number 2, it fight against bacteria because it's a natural antibiotic. Yeah man, no antibiotic in a pharmaceutical store no stronger than this. It's a natural antibiotic. Can get rid of every bacterial infection. Next thing it's anti-canker. We can't call the word they good enough, but we don't know what that means. The nearest word to canker. Yes, so you have anti-canker properties. Number 4, it regulate diabetes. What me say regulate diabetes. Yes, my friend, the same plant here. What do again? It promote digestive health. So it works just like peppermint, where if you have an upset stomach, they straighten back your stomach and straighten your pH of your stomach, make your hydrochloric acid start to produce once more. Number 6, it cure respiratory problem. People have breathing problem. Yes, you remove mucus and scum from off the stomach. What else you do? It is anti-inflammatory. That means if you get a liquid, a blunted tool, or you have some butter blood or swollen area, you get hit from car accident or whatever, this will remove the inflammation and dissolve all lumps outside, out of the body. Number 8, it reduce viral infection. Anything we caused by virus, this will cure it. What me say will do? Cure it. Oregano. Yeah man, see there. And the last one we may have today is number 9. It is packed with vitamin and minerals. Yeah man, see there what we have in stock. This our again, oregano, neem. Yeah man, and we have them straight to your bloodstream. Saucy perla, hitting the bloodstream. Me do all of them video already. Just look underneath. For me on TikTok page, knowledgeable true virgin, comfort. No play with this, What else me have over here, so? Me have moringa. Yeah man, man them, this a natural Viagra, Also get rid of tumor. What is a ram goat national one? They the Viagra this man them, what is ya? Dopey gun, get rid of all STD. Yeah man, sexual transmitted demons. Oh, that's spiritual, it's sexual transmitted disease. Yeah man, don't play with this dopey gun again because it's powerful. We need more cow foot. Man with prostate. Yeah man, big up on yourself man. So them have in stock right now, So come and get your pills, Them pills are made from natural cellulose. Yeah man, they are not plastic. That means they are biodegradable. And don't play with oregano, Yeah man, Chinese or French thyme. It's also used for therapeutic mental health, for mental treatment people. Like mental people are going to want therapeutic gardening, scent of this, put them in a relaxing mood. I don't know normal plant, brother. See it here, come order what you got to order today. I'm here for you, knowledgeable true virgin. And check out the new book for more remedies like this. It's called Earth. It's on Amazon. Purchase a copy.